Hello everyone, welcome to the 23rd lesson of our course, which is 30 days to a powerful vocabulary. And in this 23rd lesson, I am going to discuss some English words you should know for better writing. And this is the fifth lesson in our series to learn such words. So by far we have discussed many words such as oxymoron and some things. Now we'll understand this. This course is presented by me, Harshita Jain, and I am pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. I am a CSC aspirant and I'll be writing my exam in 2019. My interests include writing, dancing, and photography. If you like this course, this is my profile link. You can go there and follow me for more such courses. Please do rate and review the course if you like it, and do recommend each lesson that you like. So now we have the first word, which is cognition. Cognition actually means the mental courses by which one obtains knowledge through experience and thoughts. Okay, so the mental courses by which one obtains knowledge through experience and thoughts is known as cognition. Young children develop their skills of cognition from their childhood experiences and social interactions. So, very easy. Young children develop their skills of cognition from their childhood experiences and social interactions. I hope it is clear to you. The next one is perception. The synonyms are perception, discernment, and awareness. Okay. Now the next word is obsequious. Obsequious means overtly obedient, overly obedient, or they were served by obsequious waiters. And this means that you are excessively, obedient or following the orders. They were served by obsequious waiters, servile, ingratiating, unctuous, and sycophantic are the synonyms for this word. Again, sycophant we did already, I guess, that somebody who's excessively submissive. The same is here. The next word is ostentatious. Characterized by pretentious or showy display or designed to impress. So characterized by display of or showing off is what we call as ostentatious. Even though Ria has a gigantic art collection, she does not present it in an ostentatious manner to everyone who enters his home. Okay, so let's just change the name of the person. So be it Rahul. Make it Rahul. Even though Rahul has a gigantic art collection, he does not present it in an show-off manner. Okay. The synonyms are pretentious, conspicuous, and obtrusive. The next one is oxymoron. Oxymoron means an expression that contains a word with opposite meanings. As sorrow is never appealing to me, I cannot understand the oxymoron sweet sorrow. Okay, so this is an oxymoron where two opposite words are used. So he's saying that I cannot understand I do not find sadness as appealing, so I don't understand the oxymoron sweet sorrow. Okay, the next word is paradigm, which means a typical example or model of something. John's programming paradigm has taken the computer world by storm. Very easy. Synonyms are model and portrayal. Next word is copacetic, which means going well or satisfactory. Despite the poor economy, business at our restaurant has copacetic enough to allow us to earn a small profit. Okay? Excellent, order, or content are the synonyms. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you liked the lesson, please do recommend it. Somewhere here is the recommend option. And if you have got any questions, do comment in the comment section or at Unacademy Digest. Thank you.